Do you have situations where lack of confidence makes you feel terrible and inhibits you from taking important actions? You know that you should do something, that you should take that step. It could be as simple as making that quick phone call, or introducing yourself to new people, or perhaps sharing your opinion during a team meeting. Or maybe it's something bigger and a bit more uncomfortable, like delivering a presentation, or maybe even going to your boss to ask for the pay rise. But something stops you. This strange feeling in your stomach reaches out to your entire body and stops you, and you are paralyzed. Really, how do you feel when you lack confidence? Do you feel the tension in your stomach, the dryness in your mouth? Perhaps you are sweating or analyzing everything you are about to say just to make sure that you will be accepted by other people. Finally, maybe you are pondering, well, maybe it's just me. Maybe I can't simply become confident. Saying that you can never be confident is utter nonsense, and never ever think like this again. Confidence is like sport. The more you practice, the better you become. My name is Jimmy Narain, and I travel the world meeting loads of confident people. And guess what? Many of them are not naturally gifted with confidence. But the difference between them and others is that they wanted it so badly. They really wanted to take an action. So they read about the topic, they implemented the strategies, they performed the exercises, and now they are confident. Think about this. The pain associated with not being confident is by far greater than the small price you have to pay to become confident. The journey I'm offering you in this course will make you a different person, because this course is packed with solid techniques and proven strategies to make you feel more confident. Now let me show you how far the rabbit hole goes. Someday and tomorrow never come. Open your mind, take the course now, begin your transformation, and I'm very excited to see you on the other side.